Yes, people, welcome. This is MamaSue Kitchen. Yes, people, so make sure you like, share, and comment. And today, you know, Mama have a big thing on the menu. What it's called, MamaSue?
Right now, peeps, on the menu is MamaSue special. I'm going to make some corned beef soup for you guys.
And yes, peeps, first of all, please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And hit that little notification bell. So when I get more video, put up more video, you can get notified.
Yes, peeps.
Respect. Right about now, we're going to make up the fire to put on the pot.
My mind and MamaSue is a very breezy day today, though, so.
Breezy, man.
MamaSue keep the fire blazing. Yeah, man, you don't know MamaSue and the crew with there. MamaSue special today.
Yes.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it, you know. Yeah, man, MamaSue special corned beef soup. Wow, that one is different. That one is wicked.
The one that go wild and versatile.
Wild and versatile. Alright, MamaSue said that. Remember, peeps, and MamaSue say wild and versatile. MamaSue keep the fire blazing, you know. MamaSue keep the fire blazing. Big up MamaSue and the crew. Peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe. You don't know. Make some nice. MamaSue quick and fast, man. Boy, then couldn't hire for light fire. I see. Them couldn't hire for light fire, my friend.
2 twos, man.
2 twos, man. Peeps, you don't know the star of the show, original Papito. Papito, what go on? Say MamaSue. Say MamaSue. Yo, the man that know, you know. MamaSue. Wait, MamaSue just make up the fire in the pot cook already? Oh, I just the water. Yeah. Why, peeps, today is a windy day today. I tell you, look there. Rain, whole heap of rain and whole heap of wind. See the birds them there. Windy day, peeps. Hey, coconut tree burn up. What you pray? Yeah. Well on, MamaSue, back to the thing. Alright, MamaSue, all of your soup ingredients, them one wine of that.
This is carrot, corn, banana, yam, breadfruit, sweet potato.
Mad.
Yes.
Fully loaded.
Yes, and
what
some
flour.
flour dough.
Oh, what is MamaSue?
Oh, this is pumpkin.
Oh, pumpkin.
Puree pumpkin. Puree pumpkin.
MamaSue, you look like you have something up your sleeve, you know.
Yes. Yes, man.
Alright, peeps, see it, yeah? Quick and fast.
Go and match up this. Little salt.
In the pot.
And then some pumpkin puree. I just blend up the pumpkin.
People, watch and catch his style, you know. MamaSue thing, versatile. Yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And you don't know, hit the notification bell. You see me I say? You don't know. Bless up on yourself, everybody will subscribe already. And bless up to the new subscriber them. And bless up to you if you just a watch. And remember to subscribe before you go to the next video. You see me I say, subscribe for the thing, hit the notification bell. Just support MamaSue thing. You see it? It's all love, man. Can learn something to you. See me I say? Because MamaSue original chef. Yard and abroad, international. MamaSue and the crew. MamaSue and the crew. Papito now pay me no man, you know. Hey boy, Papito. Monster truck. Monster truck. Monster truck. Monster truck. Monster truck. Peep, it's a windy and rainy day, as me telling you already, you know. So you see all today? Soup there, you know. Soup there, you don't know MamaSue and the little MamaSue hut. You see me I say, and peeps, you don't know this thing can get bigger and expand, you know. Will get bigger and expand. And everybody, all the MamaSue subscriber, them are going to say, yeah. Remember when MamaSue start from under the little tarpaulin? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you have to creep before you walk, peeps. See it, yeah? Trouble. Fully loaded. Papito, what you said? Trouble.
It's not cooked yet.
No, no yet, amigo.
Some of the water. You put it back later on, but it's too much. Get that bubble.
Yes, peeps. Also, jump in the comment and drop your suggestions and your ideas same way. You understand? If you want MamaSue cook something or you'd like MamaSue blaze something, you want just drop in the comment section. And if it's possible, we will make it possible. Because you don't know MamaSue and the crew, you see it? Oh, MamaSue fire out, you have to go blaze up by the fire. I'm help you here. Fun it. MamaSue and the crew. Keep the fire blazing. Pumpkin soup. No pumpkin soup, I got corned beef soup. Original bully beef. Yo, T, you remember when like church trip, school trip? Yo, a 100 bully beef sandwich I make, you know, with sugar and water, buckle up, you know. Bully beef and cheese. Yeah, man. Dice up little onion in it and black pepper. Yeah. I mean, I tell you, say, you can't wait. When you reach out on the chip and you swim and all and sit there, I tell you, say, when you done swim, tea, you go eat, you're hungry, kick, you go eat up your bully. Those were the days, man, I tell him. Girl, days then, you know, man. I'm going to catch you MamaSue over here, so peeps. I pick some grang. Yes, MamaSue them from the country, you know, so.
Grang can't finish.
Grang can't.
Grang. When the grandmother used to say, MamaSue, go and pick up some grang. You make up the fire.
Tony, you know, help MamaSue. So Misty over here, peeps. Misty, big up Misty. You don't know, she'll keep the fire blazing for MamaSue until MamaSue bring the grand them. Original Papito, the star of the show. Papito! Watch him, man. Fun to boy.
And they make up the fire same way.
Papito, listen to me. You gone over this of a tripod in a boy. You gotta do the flip, you know. I make me help out in the cooking and the video. Cause you gonna pick up tripod there. Come push up some more grang and let me get the camera down there. People them can see what I'm going.
You put them wet peeps. The rain falling from the other day. So, it was hard to check, you know. But as soon as it dry.
Oh. But MamaSue, I remember those days. I remember those days when I said, Russian, catch up the fire. Me say me blow till me eye them red. You see how you're looking at me eye them water just a run out of me eye them. Those were the days, man. We'll put them in a cup.
There we go.
Good job.
Fire kitchen, no in. Teamwork, make it dream work. Papito, be careful, boy. You don't like where your shoes, I must see Muta Baruka your pa. Big up Muta, cutting edge. Yeah, man, Muta the boss. Yes, Rasta. Yes, Rasta.
Good. Yes, man. Yes.
Big up, Ali. MamaSue granddaughter. Say hi.
Hi.
Say MamaSue.
MamaSue kitchen. Where's Millie?
Well, MamaSue the fire blaze.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Big up the Almighty, you know, people. Love God, you know. God, we say, you know.
Yes, man.
The whole family say God, man.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Because we don't want to go in your fire there, you see it. Red. Yeah, Sister Alia say amen.
I was 7 times hot on this. You can imagine.
I don't know if Papito are going with this, you know. Papito! Tony, look here.
Tony,
Coco.
what are you doing? Coco, Come for my sister.
Peace, I'm going to take that tripod there from Papito and set it up right there, so. Make MamaSue go and do her thing, you see it? Watch MamaSue, man. Boss, you know, cock chicken. Watch out. MamaSue, what's the dance, you know? What's the MamaSue dance? You have MamaSue dance. MamaSue.
Yeah. From Jerusalem right now.
But I tell you, man. Ali, bust the MamaSue dance. You know MamaSue dance, girl? That's a pretty face. Come on, cheer up, Misty. MamaSue. 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 Well. Yeah, man, as we say, peeps, it's all about fun, it's all about laughter, it's all about family, it's all about cooking. You see me I say? Adventure. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up the Almighty, you see it? Yeah, man. So, peeps, we just live life and I give thanks and praise and chill out as a family and cook in our backyard and eat and laugh and be happy and be merry. You see me I say, so if you like the movements, just subscribe to the thing. If it's your first time watching the video, please just hit that subscribe button and hit the notification. Yeah. So you don't know when we shoot more video for MamaSue and upload it, you get notified right away because MamaSue say, you know, versatile, can't spoil. Yeah, man.
Can't spoil.
MamaSue versatile, the pot them can't spoil, so you don't know. You can learn something and teach something from MamaSue. I didn't say thief. Learn something and teach something. Yeah, man. Hey. Yeah, man.
Hey.
You see a little.
Let me tell you something. One thing about my grandma is that she well, listen. She can't cook.
They say she can't cook. Grandma food them sweet.
My grandma teach me.
MamaSue, the fire did a give a little struggle, but boy, no. It a blaze.
If it was me alone, it wouldn't catch up.
Big on my channel.
Eh?
Big on my channel.
No, we're going to leave your channel out of this because remember saying, no, this channel is for adult and your channel is for kids. You understand?
Yeah.
So we're not going to pick up your channel of this. When you're ready to shoot your video them, then you can pick up your channel, you see? So your channel is going to stay in the kids lane channel. We have to go create a channel for Papito too. Papito! Amigo! Monster truck channel. Papito, give me the tripod and let me set you up over here, man. I get tired, brother. Alright, tripod set up, guys. Fire thing there.
Rich.
Tony, be careful, boy. Leave it alone. I want you. Yeah, man, a different thing this to the table, Mama. I tell you, different thing to the table. Versatile. Creative. While the way the breeze are blowing, show the camera around. Camera around. Yeah, that man a good subscriber.
Anthony? Tony? Tony? What are you doing?
Where you go with that? Mind the thing there, you know? You go with that.
Put this.
Mama, the thing, in the short period of time, I tell us that the thing gone large. People from England, people from Canada, Jamaica, all over the world. Thing gone. Yeah, man, like and share. Give them a share and subscribe.
Tell a friend. And let a friend tell another friend.
Trying to say that? What? 50 what? What?
Bloody 50.
Oh, so you can. finalize. MamaSue, we have to make a MamaSue special leaf. Smoke and things.
That's how I make from right there.
Yeah.
Wow.
A while ago, I was supposed to see it here and picture it. Yeah, I tell you. Look, I say suppose me, when I tell you, suppose me see it here a while ago.
That's suppose. Suppose. Yes, but that's suppose.
Swing it here and picture of it. Let me carry the camera around here, so.
Blow.
Yeah, MamaSue. Oh, the thing look good. Me nah lie to you. Yeah. Looking good.
Cook down, man. Everything cook down in here and just leave the body.
And then you have to put a little twist to it with the corned beef.
Yes, but the
Not yet.
no, not
Oh, yeah, the flour not going yet. You are the top chef, you know. Okay. People may tell us some breed a breeze a lick. Okay. Some breed a breeze a lick. What you pray? MamaSue kitchen stand firm, man. I'm going to set up there. Try to put it now.
yeah, man, big up colors and then team.
Tapping nice. No joke. Yeah, man. I go do
They call socks.
Socks and chef.
Big chef socks.
Theodore.
Murphy. Theodore.
Tap you nice. Yes, sir.
And the rest of the crew.
What am I telling you?
Got their name. But we soon come visit you, no man.
I know say you always say you want to feature them, man. You're going to make it possible. Right?
Yes, soon come visit
We're
you,
going to
no
come a
man.
yard. We're going to link up. Colors, we're going to link up on the phone on the yard, brother.
We have
And
to.
you don't know,
And
do a
the kids them
combination with
excited.
MamaSue Kitchen and Colors TV. And you can learn only from MamaSue in the youth. And MamaSue are elder for me. So vice versa, you can learn from MamaSue can learn from me because trust me, we cook some versatile, some
Yes.
special, we run some
Yes.
special.
Yes.
Hold on, I have to go catch them video, watch them, them easy. Video easy though.
Hi!
Papito!
No
Tony! Hey boy! Kalaluda, they look right there, saying peeps. Yeah, man, Kalaluda. So Tony, big old chocolate. I enjoy it on the farm. But be careful, mind you swing that on. Watch him. Kalaluda, right there, so. I'm going to show you again. I'm going to eat in another video. But I'm going to show you again. See, MamaSue thing here. MamaSue garden. Let me zoom back. Out. MamaSue garden. Yeah.
So
Tomato.
this is cabbage. This
Wait.
is cabbage.
Oh.
This is purple cabbage.
I'm forgot to tell you, MamaSue always water the garden. So tell the people them all of the things that they on the farm. All of the organic, natural products.
This is
Tomato.
tomato. And some more
Purple cabbage. Oh, pepper. See pepper there? Look,
and
Maya.
pepper.
Yeah, look at pepper here. How about that pick here? Don't pick.
She's not gonna do this. And we got some cabbage
And
right
this.
here.
What's the aloe vera?
Yeah, I love it. Some, and we got some tomatoes right here.
Yeah, we talk about that already. Rosemary. Maya. Oh, see. Spinach.
Yeah, spinach.
I don't know what that you know.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah, don't say it on it.
Oh, this is romaine lettuce.
Oh,
Lettuce.
some more lettuce. This one.
I know lettuce that I think that cabbage.
Cabbage. And it's over really fast. If you touch right here, it's
Yeah man, that go on. I go back over MamaSue cooking spot, you know. MamaSue kitchen.
Watch me, Anna.
Father Roy. Water more than flour. Where you going with? Oh yeah, heading. Where you there now? Oh, come round the back, man. I'm going to tell us the fire blaze, man. Alright.
Yes, Pete.
Oh yeah, say. We don't care, man.
Where's the popcorn?
Go take candy that you have. Take a little.
Food is special. Alright. MamaSue special brand roll. Report.
I got this there. Kirby two in a man. Jesus. You say? How many kilo? No, oh, you want to go up on the road and go look by food stuff. And we just go for what's that? Atlantic Avenue. Okay. When I meet customer, then introduce me to my little show. Woman here. What's that, Julie?
Come and sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Yes, I think no, watch that.
Alright, okay.
I will just send us your okra right.
Eh? Which tree? Oh,
And Tony.
Tony, man.
No. Come this way. Come this way.
Actually, go on. Sit down, babe.
Big up, guys.
Oh, they're now grown.
They just pass through them. And then I way out there, then one day was about 13,800.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, like 30. But, Jamaica, could you believe that? Maybe not that. But Mr. Rai, they touch on live boy, you know? Yeah, no, but if you're not grown,
Don't come to seasoning.
if you're not grown,
I touched 2 lives.
Maggi seasoning.
if you touch 2
With
live
the
now,
garlic powder.
but like you see the live boy them teeth, if you touch one, nah, shut. But if you go touch the next one, or you touch it, or go touch this, you touch this, or if you touch Madia, right? If you touch
Yeah,
Madia,
man.
yeah, with the power, it takes me a while to touch it. You see them with the power room for the ride, but tell me some boy, now I'm going to touch it.
Shut up, fly tight.
How do you take by the live wire? You never did. Yeah, man. Yeah. Like,
Familiar Jamaica, the man, and if you youngster, you gotta come and shop there. Oh, me look a friend, you know. And the friends of the here say,
Yeah.
like, and them go up on the live wire.
Jesus.
Yeah, alright. You don't say
I
nice.
stick to boy, man, I'm man, I do.
Hey.
Like in a country and walk on the road like man.
Hey.
Yes. Lightning. Remember what they tell you. It can walk like man. Well, they come out like take one like this. Oh, God, you say it's a lightning flash. Anybody in there now will come. Hey.
When me this year one day, me I go meet you, do some work I want to do. The third one, me start out that Spanish road with the bike. Earthquake. You know, so the earth are moving. Oh my God.
I witnessed that.
Yeah, man, that's
Yeah, but you never did a rock all over the place.
no, sir, it's not the game,
Like water. Oh my God. Come on, the Almighty, huh? But one place, one day, some decoration, some carnival thing. You see next year, no, it was next week. Oh my God, a piece of stamp come over and just but me said, spear up the whole place, you know. Not up here. No, what? Spanish country. Okay.
fan stem man, you have like one mountain. I hit them man, and then every year, no brush.
Yes, Steve. The Caribbean sunshine, black soup, spicy soup mix. And this is a pumpkin flavored soup. I'm going to put these two in the pot.
Dry them, they must find some way to dry them, you know?
Yeah,
You know, they would have spoiled and
what you say, alarm thing? I'll hit.
them and I'll head, smoky head, old head, whole bunch of head.
Pata bubble in a rainy time, yeah. Rich.
CornBeef soup.
This is rich. It's rich.
Come catch the soup, the MamaSue. Yes.
And put some scotch bonnet and some bell pepper.
I put bell pepper in it too.
Yes. And some scotch bonnet. And give it flavor. Pretty. And then when it cook, oh, and everything cook. Yes, peeps. I'm going to put in the corned beef now. This is one I go wicked and wild. Original corned beef soup. Woo!
I'm ready already and done it, please. I am ready and it's not done yet.
Right here, Tamika.
Peeps, I'm ready for my bone. No, no, no.
Yes, peeps.
Right now, me ready.
These are- No, man.
See the dancer, peeps. Eh. Yeah, your monster chunk.
Yes, peeps. I see it's rich. The boat so land, peeps.
Where's Sesu?
Peeps, this a turn up, peeps. You turn up. It's versatile. Bring the camera. Camera lady, bring the camera. Let me show the people them in that now.
Look good.
Peeps, I never got to try this for myself, you know.
Yes, peeps, you know how to try it. Look. Corned beef soup.
And there goes Tony with his monster truck.
Good man.
Hey, everybody.
Come on.
Huh? Sugar.
Shh.
Go good.
You can. They will go show them the African dance. Hey. Yes, peeps. The one you ready?
Yes, peeps. I'm going to share up the corned beef soup now.
MamaSue special.
Share what we guess first.
Father Ryan at the building.
Mommy.
Hey boy, you cook nothing man, you come and plate.
I bet this food gonna be good.
Corned beef soup. Stir up the pot the sauce and I could see what I go on now. People, MamaSue special. Remember, you know, like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Yeah, trust me, you can learn something and teach somebody else something. Special is real. Alright, see Papito ready for body up there.
You cannot get it because it's too hot.
Please put on your plate.
There's some of the bits. There's some of the bits. Just this one. Come, Papa, sit here. Come around. Come on, spoon to Papa. Wait, let me give you this.
Father Ryan soon come up, man.
Anthony, it is hot.
You want to come? Misty, share out for Misty, make sure taste test it and thing the car. Remember, say me I forgot start out my thing.
Sit down like this. No more.
What you mean you don't want? Oh, you mean you want more? And more you want? What's in face?
More?
In dumpling, me I love dumpling, you know. I man love dumpling.
More? What else you want? Dumpling?
Dumpling.
Dumpling. So one spinach.
But your MamaSue special.
Okay.
You know I'm going to want maybe more than the spinach. So boy, you can't eat it.
Come make this one. That one is split. It's split. Look at
Me hungry just by looking at it.
Sit down properly.
I food that.
Have it on me. You know,
Oh.
you can something.
Like if she potato mash.
Huh?
Boy, peeps. We never go try that one here for yourself. Look here.
Where say MamaSue special?
Oh my God. It's better than beef soup.
Big up MamaSue no?
MamaSue. It's nice. Big up yourself, MamaSue. Something happen.
So, Grandma, MamaSue, granddaughter will do the taste test. Alright, taste it and give your review.
I'm gonna start with the dumpling first.
Yes.
Hot. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
What you say? Nice.
Big hot MamaSue. You guys need to try her recipe.
Corned beef soup, you know? Jamaica we call it bully beef.
Bully beef.
MamaSue, the man behind the camera. Oh gosh. This look good. Hold on, I go put on there. Let me put mine right, that's so. And bust a taste test. Kinda dark, but I'm gonna bust my taste test. Everything connect. Everything connect.
I want to try with my pops.
Hey, you serious about in dumpling and them sitting around? I say you get mad. Come, Tony. You dumpling and you can't.
Good.
Peeps, good. No, like it. Good, peeps.
I want to say something.
You're supposed to have found, I'm not sure.
Here comes my sister.
Yes, peeps, kitchen full. Wicked. It's real good.
Daddy, before we leave, can I say something? You gotta put that on the camera.
Alright, say something again,
There you
guys.
go.
And before everybody leave for the channel of today, I want everybody, for the last time in forever, make sure you like, comment, and share, and hit that notification to be notified. And when
You gotta subscribe too.
hey, make sure you subscribe too.
Come over here.
And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified and whenever we post a new video.
Okay.
If you don't sleep, it's just a little joke. It's a joke. This is just a joke. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna put a roach in your mouth.
No, but wait.
It's a joke. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna poop roach in your mouth. I said if you don't subscribe, baby.
What you little done?
Yes, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell. Okay?
Big notification.
Big up MamaSue and the special corned beef soup, bully beef
Got to
soup.
try it, peeps.
Original. No one has ever done this one before. And it came out really good.
Telling you.
Really nice.
Nice man.
Where's the father eye?
Great.
Alright, great. You hear it from the one and only Father Eye, Uncle Eye,
Yes,
Daddy
yes.
Eye.
Yes, the original Uncle Rai.
You
never taste it before, Uncle Rai?
That's
Good one, that's all. Really nice one.
Yes, nice.
Mellow. Chef over a patty, mas.
the dumpling. You don't want nothing else.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you kind of chop the inside, you know.
So Papito drink film soup already? Mm-hmm.
Everybody taste.
Papito now have 3 dumplings already.
Yes.
Do the corned beef soup now.
Me just do the corned beef dance.
Come on. Where is the corned beef soup, guys? Tony, mind the flip up.
Beef that I can't be done.
Bully beef. Jamaican rename everything. Bully beef. When they come up with bully beef.
Let them have the jump.
When I go in my bed, I sleep like a baby tonight.
Stretch out. I don't want nothing more.
Well, somebody dreams of one cover in the night in your sleep. Oh, my dreams of a cover in the dog. Mm-hmm.
Sweet the peeps. If this never tastes good,
See there? Clean up. No joke. Look at it. Clean.
never run it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That thing good, man. Why not stop calling me, you know?
Yeah, man.
Them.
Oh, they're over there, so. Okay.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yes, Father Ryan.
Yes, Father.
Where's your right? Come on now and give her MamaSue. Big up MamaSue. Look.
Big up MamaSue. Soup is real great.
Thank you,
Big
thank
up.
you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah. We love that. From the legend. Trust me, that one they can't pay for. I big up the legendary.
Amen.
Original Father Ryan. One of a kind boat. Yeah. Original. Remember me tell you that.
Filtration time. Finish him.
What is going? Let me do the what is, let me do the what am I doing? The MamaSue. Ever?
Review.
Corned beef. Everybody see how to do the corned beef. Corned beef. Corned beef.
Yes.
Everybody see how to do the corned beef. See how to do the corned beef. Hey, bully beef. Bully beef. Wow.
You're a dance, brother.
Candy. Candy.
Candy.
Candy.
Candy.
Everybody.
Candy. 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 I did the candy.
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 Hey!
Candy. Candy.
MamaSue, you're one go now. Do your dance, man. Yes, peeps, it's not after the eatings, you know,
Right
a whole
now,
of
peeps, you
vibes.
know, you made it run on fireside. Me tired, man. The foot tired. So,
Pip.
I tell you, peeps, everything up. Everything up, man.
Them not smart. Them me and my for them. I save some mama for me for later.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Remember, listen me. You know the right thing. So do the right thing, I beg
Yes.
up. Do the
Yes,
right thing. 'Cause you know the right thing. You don't say you know the right thing. Do the right thing. Like the video first. Comment on it. Then you share it. No. Subscribe to the little subscribe button.
Yes.
Hit the bell.
Yes.
Pling with the notification them say same time MamaSue shot back a next special.
Yes.
You get it right away, it will just pop up. Then you can comment on the video,
Yes.
then you share.
Yes.
Family member, friends, post it on your Instagram, post it on your TikTok, post it on
IG.
yeah, Instagram.
Oh,
Same
Yes.
thing.
And you
Twitter.
tell your friends. You share with your friends. and your friend share it to
Your
their
other
friend.
friend.
And then, you know
Share with
what
your
the
friend.
next- you know what
The friend
next
share
week.
the other friend, and the other friend
And
share
share
the
to
other
the
friend.
other
And
friend.
that the
And
friend share the
it
one
will
next
have
friend.
next friend.
And the next friend share the other friend. And the other friend share the one
Share
next
the next
friend.
friend.
And next friend share one next friend.
Yes, peeps.
Till all of the friend them got it.
Respect to every
MamaSue
aspect.
kitchen, respect to every aspect. And MamaSue's. Original MamaSue. And the crew. Big up, big up,
Big up, big up.
big up. Blessed.